Hello, thanks for tuning in to this month's Adult DIY. I'm Chris from the Covina Public Library, and this week I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY book vase. So get ready to treat yourself and treat your shelf. Alright, so for the book vase, all you're going to need is a paperback book, some ribbon, and some plastic flowers. So to master the book vase, what you're going to need to do is learn two folds. So I'll show you the folds. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab the top right corner, fold it like this, so it forms a triangle. You should go about 3/4 of the way. And then you're going to want to grab the bottom right corner, fold it here, so the two triangles touch. And then from there, grab the tip, fold it over to the point right here, and then make a crease. And this will begin to form the side of your vase. So once you have this one, you can fold it over and then begin the next fold. So for this fold, you're going to want to grab from the bottom right corner, form up, form a triangle. You can crease it, and then from here, you're going to want to create a cone shape. So grab it from here. Should be like an ice cream cone, crease it along the way. And then with the part that hangs over, you're going to want to crease it like this and then tuck it in so you can have a flat top for the base. And then crease it again one more time and then fold it over. So those are the two folds. I'll show you one more time. So you're going to want to alternate. So now we're going to do the top fold one more time. So grab from the top, crease it, grab from the bottom, have the points meet. Grab this end, fold to this point here. This is forming the side of your base, and fold over. And one more time, the bottom fold, grab from here, create a triangle, create a cone, then fold. The part that hangs over, you're going to want to crease it, and then tuck it in, and then you'll fold it like this. And it's going to start beginning, it's creating the base shape. So what you're going to want to do is continue that fold all the way through, alternating each page between those two folds. Rumor has it that you can complete the book vase in 30 minutes. I'm going to be real with you. It's not going to be 30 minutes. And I would suggest finding around a 400-page book. Those would create a pretty good sized base. So if you have a 400-page book still at your house that you haven't read, and let's be real, if you're not going to read it, this would be a great use for it. So you can recycle it and create a book vase to hang on your shelf. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. This will be the book vase. If you alternate each of the folds, you will create a shape like this. So what you're going to want to do next is, using your materials, I'm going to use a ribbon. So this is the ribbon I have. And with the ribbon, you can use it to create a nice border around and hold. So you can go all the way around like this. I'm going to use a glue dot to hold it. And the great thing about this book vase is that you can use different ribbons, whatever ribbons you have, and it gives you options to, if you use like a glue dot or a paper clip, you'll be able to change it for each season. So, let's see, something like this. Looks pretty neat. And then after that, I'm gonna use the plastic flowers. These you can get at a dollar store, and just change the flowers according to the season or however you like. I personally like the white flowers. And what I'm gonna do is place it on top, and you can just create something like this. Add any flowers you like, and let's see, you can even add like a touch of red and something like that. And then this will look really great if you add it on top of your bookshelf. You can have the back on this end, and everyone will be able to see the front like this. And that's how you create a DIY book vase. Thank you guys for tuning in to this month's Adult DIY Craft. I hope you guys like the DIY book vase, which can also be used as a centerpiece. You can gather your friends and have a centerpiece party and make something like this. Make sure to tune in next month for our next adult DIY. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for crafting with Chris.